In the previous video, we discussed about why we are going to use the machine learning. Okay. Now in this video, we are going to see some of the examples of machine learning applications. The first application is analyzing images of products on a production line, automatically classify them. Second application is detecting tumors in the brain scans, automatically classifying the news articles, automatically flagging offensive comments on discussion forums, summarizing the long documents automatically, creating a chatbot or personal assistant, forecasting your company's revenue based next year based on the many performance metrics, making your app react to voice commands, detecting credit card fraud, segmenting clients based on their purchases so that you can design a different marketing strategy for each segment, representing a complex high-dimensional data set in a clear and insightful diagram, recommending a product that is a client may be interested in based on the past purchases, and building a intelligent board for the game. So there is some of the applications where we are going to use the machine learning techniques. Now, analyzing the game images of products on a production line, automatically classify them. So this is a image classification problem typically performed using the conventional neural networks approach. Detecting the tumors in the brain scans. This is a semantic segmentation technique where each pixel is in the image is classified. Okay, typically by using the CNN we can use the in order to classify the things. Automatically classifying the news articles. This is a natural language processing and more specifically text classification technique which can be tackled using the recurrent neural networks, CNNs or transformers. Automatically flagging offensive comments on a discussion forums. So this can be solved by using the text classification and using the some of the NLP tools. Summarizing the long documents automatically. So this is a branch of NLP technique called as a text summarization, again using the NLP tools, natural language processing tools. By using that one you can solve these problems. Creating a chatbot or personal assistant. This involves many NLP components like natural language understanding NLU and question and answering modules. Forecasting your company's revenue next year based on the performance metrics. This is a regression task and that may be tackled using any regression models like linear regression, polynomial regression model or a regression SVM, a regression random forest or an artificial neural network. If you want to take into account of sequence of past performance metrics, you may want to use RNN, CNNs and transformers. Making your app react to voice commands. This is a speech recognition problem which requires processing audio samples like since they are long and complex sequences, they are typically processed using the RNNs, CNNs or transformers. Detecting the credit card fraud. So this is a one type of anomaly detection. Segmenting clients based on their purchases so that we can design a different marketing strategy for each segment. This is one type of clustering algorithm. and representing a complex high dimensional data set in a clear and insightful diagram. So this is one type of data visualization problem is often involving the dimensionality reduction techniques like T-SNE or TC principal component analysis algorithms are going to use it here. Recommending a product that a client may be interested in based on their past purchases. This is a recommender system. One approach is to feed the past purchases to an artificial neural network and get into output the most likely next purchases. This is a neural network and would typically be trained on the past sequences of purchases across all the clients. Building an intelligent bot for a game. Here, this is an often tackled using the reinforcement learning approach, which is a branch of machine learning that trains agents to pick the actions that will maximize their rewards over the time and within a given environment. So, for example, the famous AlphaGo program that beat the world champion at the game of Go was built using the reinforcement learning. Thank you for watching our video. In the next video, we are going to see what are the different types of machine learning algorithms. Thank you.